In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick the right Squarespace template. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Squarespace, and I'll share simple tips so you choose a design that truly fits your goals. First, from your Squarespace account, click Create Website. This starts a guided setup that narrows templates based on your needs, so it's a smart way to avoid scrolling endlessly. Next, select the topic for your website. Topics help Squarespace filter layouts, navigation styles, and content blocks that are commonly used for that type of site. For this walkthrough, choose art as an example. Even if your site isn't strictly art focused, picking a close category helps you see structures and visuals aligned with your content. Click. Next, to continue. When Squarespace asks what you want to do with your website, select options like promote a physical business and sell products. You can pick more than one. This simply tunes the recommendations toward features you'll likely use, like store pages, galleries, maps, and contact options. Click Next again. Then choose a template to browse the tailored results. Here's where it helps to think practically. Look at the homepage layout, how collections are presented, the menu style, and whether the design already showcases the key elements you need, like a shop grid, portfolio sections, or prominent calls to action. Also glance at how typography and whitespace feel. These influence clarity and professionalism more than you might expect. Now, select a template that catches your eye. Open the preview and scroll through multiple pages. The home page, a product or project page, and a contact page. You're not locked in at this stage, so focus on structure over sample content. If the flow matches your vision, click. Start with this design. It may take a moment while Squarespace sets everything up. That's normal. It's creating your demo site with placeholder pages and content so you can begin customizing right away. When it's ready, click Edit Site to open the site editor. Then click Edit to activate editing on the page. At this point, you can modify anything in the template, swap images and copy, change sections, adjust navigation, and tailor the style settings. Replace demo content early to see how your real images and text sit within the design. If something feels off, it's usually the content density or imagery. Tweak those before you reconsider the template, and that's it. You've chosen a well-matched Squarespace template and stepped into editing with confidence. If you followed along, you're now ready to personalize the design so it reflects your brand and supports your goals.